in Japan, the language of respect. Number 1, Kotaka, language. Number 2, Mana, manners. Number 3, Shuukan, customs. Number 4, Meishi, business card. Number 5, Meishi o Kookan shimasu. Number 6, Omo tenashi. Number 7, Keigo. Number 8, San. Number 9, Sama. Number 10, Sensei. Number 11, Gozaimasu. Understanding the Japanese mindset. Number 1, cooperation is the key. Number 2, a strong sense of gratitude. Number 3, continual improvement. Number 4, the Japanese start to encourage participation. Number 5, perfection is never attained, but beauty and joy can be created everywhere. 3 topic that I choose first is about number 1, Meishi or business card. Japanese people give Meishi or business card. This name card introduces people to one another and they are Meishi when meeting new people to one another, and they give Meishi when meeting clients or customer instead shaking hands. When you offer Meishi or business card, hold the card with both hands and bow and bow. Also, Japanese people bow even when they are talking in the phone. Number 2, San. One way to show respect is the way you address people. Always say and write San after the people's name. Example, Takako-san wa sushi o taibamasu. Takako is eating sushi. Emily-san wa tempura o tabimasu. Emily is eating tempura. Sometimes male put kun after their names. Example, Joshua-kun wa mizenu nonimasu. Josh is drinking water. Number 3, a strong sense of gratitude. In Japan, citizens, customers show gratitude for the tiny gifts their action. If they are visiting someone, they bring small gift just to show. If they are visiting someone, they bring a small gift just to show kindness. When they meet each other, they smile and bow. When you walk into the restaurant, you greeted with the joyfulness. Irashaimasu. Welcome to the dessert. When you leave, you hear enter restaurant crew. Arigato gozaimasu. Thank you so much. Even though at the train station, railway, employees bow to the train to show respect and gratefulness, and also in Japan department. Stare every morning, manager bow at the main door before. During Meishi or Koukan shimasu, to exchange Meishi name cards, there are steps to do when giving them. First, hold card with both hands. Second, bow. Third, present your business card with the front facing towards the recipient. In Japan, this gesture symbolizes respect and shows that you are offering your information in a humble manner. It's all about showing politeness and respect in Japanese business culture.